come to carry for you. This cross you bear, I've come to break it in two. I was down, but now I can see the pain, the hurt, the misery.